EETV offers three distinct recording options to capture your favorite television content. Each method serves different viewing needs and preferences. Manual recording is the most precise method, allowing you to schedule specific time slots for individual programs. You manually input the channel, date, time, and duration for each recording. The EETV interface displays your program guide where you can select shows for manual recording. The menu system provides easy access to scheduling options. Series recording automatically captures entire television series. This intelligent system resolves conflicts when multiple recordings overlap and offers options to record new episodes only or all episodes. One Touch Recording provides instant recording of whatever you're currently watching. Simply press the record button for immediate capture, with the ability to extend recording time if programs run over schedule. The EETV remote control features a dedicated record button that enables one-touch recording. This red button provides immediate access to recording functionality. Each recording method serves different needs: manual recording for precise scheduling, series recording for automatic capture of ongoing shows, and one-touch recording for immediate, spontaneous recording decisions. Setting up recordings on your EETV box is straightforward once you know the steps. We'll start with manual recording, which is perfect for one-off programs or special events. To manually record a program, first navigate to the TV guide using your remote control. You'll see a grid showing all available channels and their current and upcoming programs. Select the program you want to record by navigating to it with the arrow keys. Once highlighted, press the red record button on your remote to start the recording setup process. A recording options menu will appear. Here you can confirm the recording details and set preferences like starting the recording a few minutes early or ending it late to avoid missing any content. For series recording, the process is similar, but with additional options. Find any episode of the series you want to record in the TV guide, then select Record Series instead of a single recording. You'll be presented with two main options: record new episodes only, which is ideal for ongoing series, or record all episodes, which captures repeats as well. You can also configure recording quality and automatic deletion settings. The simplest recording method is one-touch recording. While watching live TV, simply press the record button on your remote to instantly start recording the current program. EETV boxes come with impressive recording capabilities. Most models offer 1 terabyte of storage, which provides approximately 150 hours of HD content recording capacity. Recent EETV models can record up to 4 programs simultaneously, perfect for busy households with different viewing preferences. You can maintain up to 100 series links at once, and recordings are automatically kept for up to 12 months. Managing your recordings is just as important as setting them up. The EETV interface provides easy access to delete old recordings, modify series settings, and resolve any recording conflicts that may arise.